Who is correct when it comes to Tibet? There are three versions: the Chinese version, the Tibetan version, and the version by the International Committee of Lawyers. If we study these versions, it will be clear who is telling the truth. But the past is the past. The important thing is the future. We want to live in a modern Tibet where we have the freedom to practice our culture and religion, an autonomous Tibet within the framework of the Chinese Constitution. 谁才是真正讲出西藏问题真相的一方？关于西藏的历史与现状有三种说法，一种来自中国官方，一种来自藏人自身，还有一种是国际法律专家委员会的观点。如果我们深入研究这三种立场，就能看清谁更接近事实。然而，历史已经成为过去，更重要的是我们共同的未来。我们期望生活在一个现代化的西藏，在那里我们能够自由的传承和实践我们的文化与宗教，并在中国宪法的框架下实现真正意义上的自治。